It starts counting up.
Okay, now go.
You gotta shine the light over where I can see.
Let's go, cool. No, go.
There's some kind of snake in here. We don't know what.
I just saw a white bug. I just see one. I want to see what's inside the box. Can I see the box?
We don't want to get too close, Colin, because we don't know what kind of snake it is.
Oh my gosh, that's a black snake.
It's a black snake, so it's not venomous. So we'd go a little closer. No, we better not. Gigi wouldn't like it.
Can we just turn it over that way?
Sure.
There's a car coming. You want to wait?
They're not coming.
Are they waiting on us to get out of the way?
I don't know. They're probably wondering what we're doing.
It's shiny black too.
I just hold it.
That's your school books, Tanya.
There it is.
Great.
See it? See it there, Colin? It's all curled up.
It's where?
It's all curled up on the side. All through the box. I see it
just
on
saw
both sides of the
move.
box.
I see it moving.
Oh yeah, I thought that was a pipe in there. Is that
Yeah,
a black snake or?
See, it's all over on the other side. I'm pretty sure it's a black snake, unless it's a water moccasin. Because I don't know how you tell them unless you see the head. Because they're pit vipers, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to.
And they're mean.
Can they run faster than you?
I don't think so.
Get the
Right
flashlight
there in
there.
front of it. You want to be right there in front
I'm
of
gonna
it?
flip it over.
Sure.
I don't see it.
We're going to see it, Colin.
I don't see it. I don't see it.
There it is. It's laying on the ground there.
Let's go closer.
What's its head look like?
Black snake.
Oh, it's a black snake. It's got a small head.
Does that mean it's not venomous?
Right.
It's not venomous. We can touch
It's not a
it.
black racer, is it?
I don't know. I think that's what we saw in the woods the other day. It
Those
was
things-
fast.
yeah.
They're fast.
All right, Tanya, go ahead and get your stuff out down there.
Well, yeah. Here, do you want this?
Am
I don't know how you tell if it's a racer or not.
It's going to kind of like go right after us.
Let's go.
Black
It
racer
is.
has a really small
Wait,
head.
there's another one in there.
What?
There's another one in there.
Oh my God! So they were doing.
Let me down.
No, I'm not putting you down,
That's
Colin.
why it was making so much
Why?
noise. See,
They
the
were
stripes,
procreating.
You see that, like the white stripes?
Yeah, I'm
on-
pretty sure it's a black snake.
Is that a black?
I don't know how you tell if they're racers or not. I've never heard of a racer till we saw
Oh,
one the
I
other
just
day.
started tongue.
A racer will come after you.
Really?
Yeah.
The one we saw went away from us really quick
Come on, go closer. Why you going backwards?
because we were afraid it might be a racer.
'Cause at the
And
beach,
he see his or her wife or husband is still in the box.
So we gotta get that one out.
You want to chase that one down the grate? Or are you going to KILL it?
I don't know. Look at its neck. How it's bent like that. Well,
I think you can just pick him up by the tail.
I ain't.
There it goes.
Let's go down.
It's going to go down the grate.
I just don't know if I've ever seen a black snake with the white on its body.
Yeah, I've seen him like that before.
Grandpa, I
Mhm.
bet we can just hold it by the tail.
It's still got part of it upside down over there,
Yeah,
doesn't
that's
it?
weird.
I think the books might be on it.
But that thing ought to be able to move them little bitty paperback books there, don't you think?
Yeah, once it gets going, it'll move them.
Where'd you move the book?
Do you
And then
need
it
that?
moved- I don't even know what it is. I can't
Do
see.
you want it after Snake's been
Well,
doing the thing in
Hold
there?
on, hold it up on it.
Secret agent.
There his head's coming out the other
I
side.
think
See the
that's
head,
like a
Colin?
magnet box.
See the head coming out by the blue box
Yeah.
there? Right there?
Oh yeah.
Is that one out yet?
No, it's still in there.
Still in the box?
Still in there.
Yep.
I know it's gonna go after us.
There's see the one in the box? That's a big one too.
Hey, it's going out. See?
Hold the flashlight.
No,
over
that's
there.
its tail out.
Yeah, it's,
That's its tail out of the box. The other one's looking at us though.
Why?
It doesn't know what to do.
It's
It had a
Maybe
nice
flip
It
that
turned its
thing
head.
off of
it had a
those-
nice comfortable habitat, and now it doesn't have a habitat.
Wait, why did you just walk that snake?
What did what?
Why did he just block that snake?
Just what it?
Block it.
Block it?
Yeah.
He's trying to let it out down the storm grate, I think.
I have no idea what's in that box.
How am I still in there?
I don't think there's anything in there but the snake now.
We can just grab it by the tail, right? We can grab it by the tail.
Did it go?
No, I think the lid's closed up on it.
Oh yeah, it is.
We can just grab it by the tail. It's still in there.
There it goes, right down the grate.
But what's another one?
It's still under those books over there.
That is a black snake?
Yeah,
With all that white on it?
yeah. It's definitely not a moccasin. The heads are too small. I don't think it'll come back once it goes down there. I think it'll go far away. Probably down to the creek, to the river, lake or whatever.
What? How would the two snakes get in there? Wait.
Oh no, you're gonna make it lay in the grass. Scoot it back. Off the shoe.
Gotta follow your spouse there. There we go. Look at that.
That's a big long snake.
That is a long snake.
Look at that thing.
There it goes.
I think I should help it out there.
I think you should. It's gonna crawl back up.
I don't know if it can crawl back up there. It's gonna go right down the grate.
No, the one that's not down
Right.
there.
The one's
Yeah, it's
still
still
down
hanging.
there. It's
See
still
it hanging, Colin?
And there it goes down that pipe, that other one.
Yeah, they'll go down there. They'll probably be down to the lake. Unless they come out the bottom of your yard.
At the grate down there. Come up.
I know that's where it's gonna come out.
Let me help that thing out.
Yeah, hurry up so it'll keep up with its mate.
There it goes. Oh yeah. They're way down in there, Colin. You see them?
Oh yeah, I see one. Let's
Oh my goodness, that's
The other one went right down the pipe
What is
already.
that, 5 foot, 4 foot?
I'd say at least 5.
Black snake would be bigger around at 5 foot, wouldn't it?
Nah, I've seen them skinny like that.
With all these
It's
rabbits
long.
around here?
That is a long one.
That is long.
Mm-hmm.
That's every bit of 5 foot or more.
There it goes. Bye-bye. Say turkey down there.
turkey down there.
I'll let you figure that out.
Wait, I want the. Wait, I
Do you need these?
want the flashlight. I want a flashlight. I need a flashlight.
They're not going to come back up, Colin. They're gone. We scared them to death.
I
If
wanna
we walk
see.
down there
I
at
wanna
the
see
other
what's-
end where this grate comes through, we'll see them.
I just see a lion bug.